In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow, how to upload and embed video, MP4 YouTube backgrounds. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer and heading to the page or specific section where you want your video to live. It helps to have a clear spot ready, like a container, grid cell, or hero section, so your video snaps neatly into your layout and stays responsive. Next, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon. This is where all elements live. To move quickly, use the search field and type video. You'll see the standard video element and, in most setups, a background video option too. For a typical embedded clip that users can play and pause, choose the video element. Click it or drag it onto the canvas right where you want it. With the video element selected, open its settings. Here's where you choose your source. Paste a YouTube or Vimeo link if you want fast streaming and built-in hosting. Great for longer content and public videos. If you prefer native playback, switch to Upload and select an MP4 from your assets. Keep MP4s optimized. H.264 encoding 1080p or smaller for most sites, and compressed to a manageable size so pages load quickly. Adjust playback options to match your goals. If you enable autoplay, also enable mute. Most browsers block autoplay with sound. Loop works well for short clips or product reveals. Show controls when you want viewers to pause, scrub, or change volume. For native MP4s, set a poster image so there's a clean thumbnail before playback begins. Style the video so it fits your design. In the Style panel, set width to 100% for responsive layouts, add a max width if needed, and fine-tune spacing with margin and padding. You can round corners, add shadows, or position the video within grids and flex layouts to keep it aligned across breakpoints. Always check tablet and mobile views and make small adjustments so nothing overflows. If your goal is a looping, muted visual behind content, like a hero background, look for the background video option in the same Add panel. Drop it into a section or div, upload a short, lightweight clip, and place headings or buttons on top. Use a subtle color overlay to improve text contrast. Keep background videos brief and small. They autoplay, loop, and are muted by design. Wrap up by previewing your page and testing playback on desktop and mobile. Add captions or a nearby transcript for meaningful content. Avoid sound on autoplay, and you're all set. Congratulations! You've embedded video in Webflow with confidence.